Whenever a youngster approaches my chamber, I want to be your junior, I want to intern with you. First of all, I discourage those people from entering litigation practice.
I would say that first generation lawyers like myself are kind of scared to, begin their own practice and on their own because, there's a lot to establish and there's a lot of grind involved. It's, especially in the initial years. And since you said that, you began your practice in Delhi on your own, and since your father and your grandfather were not from here, they were practicing in Punjab, so, what would your advice be for such litigation aspirants?
See, building a litigation practice is very challenging. Whenever a youngster approaches my chamber, I want to be your junior, I want to intern with you. First of all, I discourage those people from entering litigation practice. The idea is not to discourage them to the extent that they run away. The idea is to tell them the reality and then tell them it's going to be a challenging experience. Sometimes to get the best out of somebody, you must confront that person. For example, yesterday while driving from the office, there was a very interesting interview. There was a very interesting program being compared by Hema Malini. It was a birthday yesterday, perhaps. Okay. So she was comparing this program for, the armed forces, the army personnel posted at the border. So she was stating her experiences and then she was playing some nice music for them. So she said that, I was dancing Bharatnatyam, I was doing a performance in Chennai. And some producer, approached me that, will you act in a film, in a Tamil film? I went in for the audition and I was rejected on the ground that you can't act. Yeah. So she says, that was the point when I decided to act in films. Because I was confronted by this producer who said, I cannot act. So I decided I will show the world what I can do in the acting school. And then rest is history. So building a litigation practice is challenging in terms of building a certain quantum and earning your livelihood out of that practice. My advice to youngsters who want to do litigation is, you are starting from scratch. In the initial 5-7 years, please don't look at the fee. Work for free, not for a fee. Okay? And, there are so many poor litigants in the legal system who need good lawyers. You will start getting cases. Do them for free, or if somebody is paying you a very small amount, receive that amount with humility. Build up 100 files. The target is to build up 100 files. A lawyer who has 100 files is a practicing litigation lawyer. Okay, second principle, free doesn't mean you don't work on the brief. Whether the brief is for free or fee, the quantum of work should be the same. You must work hard on the brief. Working hard means marshalling the facts and applying the law. That's when you create an impression before the court. The third important principle which I learned from my seniors and from stalwarts. If you are not prepared, take an adjournment, don't argue. You have a hangover, you had too much of whiskey the previous evening, you've come back home at 3 a.m., that's fine. But if you are not prepared the next morning, please send a proxy lawyer, or in the district courts, please send your munshi, your clerk, and take a date if you are not prepared. So if you can follow these 3 principles, I'm sure one can build up a law practice in our country. See, it's extremely difficult to build up a law practice in the US. In India, it's easier. Building up an individual law practice in America is very difficult. You will get those, insolvency types of individual cases. People want immigration cases. You will get those immigration cases which you will have to be happy with. Here, the whole game is open. So once you have built 100 files, it means you are preoccupied. You are occupied for the day. You have a brief or 2 in a day.